Good morning kids. Welcome back. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, as you all know, our today's video is related to chapter 7 from the window and it is part 2 of this chapter. So kids, in this video we will continue the rest of the chapter and it is the chapter 7 video part 2. Now before starting our today's chapter, which is chapter 7, kids, we will revise the previous things which we have studied in the previous chapters. So kids, as you all know that Omana was travelling from Gujarat to Kerala. Yes, and Omana was doing the train journey. Yes kids, and in that train journey, she has crossed many stations like Ahmedabad, Valsad, and finally we are studying about Madgaon. Now kids, in our previous video we have studied that when Omana was there in Madgaon, which is in Goa state, so in that state, in Madgaon, she crossed one bridge and that bridge was very adventurous for her. Now kids, we will continue our chapter and today's video. Now, as you can see kids, I have written Madgaon, Goa state. Now it means that Omana is crossing this Madgaon place which is in Goa. As I have told you kids, you can see Goa state in India's map. It is the smallest, yes kids, it is the smallest in your right hand side if you will stand like this. Now kids, as we have discussed in the previous video about bridge, now Omana is passing through a tunnel. Yes, now she is passing through a tunnel. Now kids, what is a tunnel? Now in Hindi, tunnel means surang. Yes. Now why the tunnel is there in between the train journey? Yes, it's a question. Why there is a tunnel in between the train journey? Now kids, as I've told you in my previous video also, these bridges, tunnels are there where we have to pass any terrain. Terrain means where we have to pass any river or any mountain. Yes, very nice. Exactly. This is the answer. Means in between the journey there is some mountain. And to cross that mountain, the government has made the tunnel so that the train can easily pass through that tunnel. So finally, the tunnel came in between the Omana's train journey. Now kids, in Madgaon, when Omana looked outside, the weather was sunny, bright. Now bright means bright, shiny, and sunny means that it was a sunny day. And what was the time? 11:30 a.m. Now kids, as you can see, Omana's last few hours was very interesting and exciting. Why? Because she has seen the bridge at that time. Now after breakfast, she climbed onto the upper berth of the train and she started reading the comics. Now finally, it was all dark. Yes, everything becomes dark. Now why? Suddenly, one tunnel came in between the Omana's journey. And the weather also changed. Yes, the weather becomes little cold. Now after some time, the lights on the train came on, but the tunnel was going on and on. Yes. Now after some time, somebody told Omana that it was a tunnel. Yes. And after some time, when the train passed the tunnel and the weather becomes the same again, like sunny and bright, because the train has passed the tunnel and now the train is again on the daylight. So Appa. Now who is Appa? Appa is the father of Omana. So Appa told Appa is the father of Umana. Now Appa told Umana that they have just crossed one tunnel and now they are in the next side of the tunnel and they have passed the tunnel in this train journey. Now afterwards Umana passed 4 tunnels. Yes, 4 tunnels in her journey. Now kids, as you can see that in the journey there are so many tunnels and bridges. Yes, why? As I've told you that to cross the mountains, the government used to make tunnels and bridges so that your journey can become convenience. And finally, Umana started enjoying the tunnel journey. Now kids, it's afternoon and the time was 12:15 p.m. As you can see kids there, previously the time was 11:30. At that time Umana has taken her breakfast also and now she was taking her lunch. And in lunch she has taken idli vada which she bought from Udupi station and bananas. They are small and very tasty. So these two things Umana has taken in her lunch at 12:15 p.m. Now kids, the weather has again changed. See now, as you all know that the date was 17th May. So what she saw? Now coconut trees. Yes, she saw coconut trees outside and green paddy fields. Green paddy fields. Now what is the meaning of green paddy fields? Now kids, paddy means rice. So paddy fields means rice fields. Now previously kids, Umana don't know about these fields. She only saw the green fields everywhere. And when she asked her Amma means mother, her mother told her that these fields are paddy fields means rice fields. Now kids, she can see that there are different types of houses there. Yes, the villages are different from Ahmedabad. As we are talking about here, Goa state. As Umana was crossing the Goa state, Goa which is a state, so Umana saw different types of houses and villages. Now as Umana was looking out of the window, she can see different clothings also. Yes, people are wearing different types of clothes like dhotis and the second is saris. And these are different color. Yes, they are white or cream color. White or cream. The saris and dhotis are of white or cream color and the people are wearing these different types of attire. Now as Umana was coming from Ahmedabad, she didn't saw these types of clothes and these coconut trees and paddy fields there. Now why? Because kids, different states have different type of attire. Attire means clothing. Yes, different types of clothing, different type of language, different type of food, different type of landforms. See, different states have different types of differences. Yes, difference in clothing, difference in these landforms, different in food, different in style and different in language. So as Umana was crossing the Goa state, so she found coconut trees also, green paddy fields which was not there in Ahmedabad. And she also find the people wearing clothes like dhotis and saris. Now many people who are from Ahmedabad with Umana, means in the same train, got off from the train and some people also got on to the train for the journey. Now kids, time passes As previously we are talking about 12:15 p.m. we are talking about it was daytime, the weather was sunny, bright. Now around 6 p.m. yes, 6 p.m. in the evening, Kozhikode was there. As you know, remember that the two kids who became friends of Umana, Sunil and An, yes, those kids have to get off at Kozhikode. Now you can see kids, as previously also we have seen, where is Kozhikode? Kozhikode is in Kerala only. Yes, as you all know that Umana has to go Kottayam. So around 6 p.m. Sunil and An get off from the train and finally they reached Kozhikode. Now as Sunil and An reached Kozhikode, Sunil and Umana changed the addresses. Yes, they exchanged the addresses. Why? Because Umana became the good friend of Sunil and they both planned to meet at Ahmedabad when they will go back. Now kids, it's night and the time is 9:30 p.m. and the date was same, 17th May. 17th May. Now kids, I have told you that Sunil and An, yes, Sunil and An and their family got off at Kozhikode, which is in Kerala only, around 6 p.m. Now it is night and the time is 9:30 p.m. and now Umana and her family was also started packing up. Now finally the train will reach Kottayam within 3 hours. Yes kids, now the journey has ended finally and Umana and her family started packing their things so that they can get off the train at Kottayam, which is in Kerala. Now kids, before ending this chapter, first of all we will study about some languages. Yes kids, see kids, different states have different states have different clothes, different food, different culture, different landforms, and the most important thing, different languages. See kids, different states have different type of clothes, means people used to wear different types of clothes and they have different type of fooding style, they have different culture, different landforms and different languages. Yes kids, every state has its own language. Like in Gujarat, people used to say Gujarati. Here, maximum people used to say Kumaoni. You know, Pahadi, Kumaoni. Same way kids, different states have different languages. Now kids, we will discuss some of the languages here. Now kids, here you can see that on the left hand side there are some languages and on the right hand side you can see that there are names of some of the states. Now kids, those languages belongs to the state which is there in right hand side. Means in that state this language is spoken. So let's study. First of all, the language is Malayalam. Yes, and this language is spoken in Kerala. Now the second language you can see Konkani, and this language belongs to Goa. Means the state from which Umana has passed, that Goa, Madgaon place. Yes, there people used to speak Konkani. The next is Marathi. Marathi, we spoke this language in Maharashtra. Now this is also the state from which Umana's train has passed. Now the next is Gujarati and the state is Gujarat. Now the people who are in Gujarat used to speak Gujarati. And the last language is Kannada and the state is Karnataka. See kids, India has so many states and in different states, different languages are there. So why we are discussing only these states? Because Umana's train has passed from these states only. Yes, she was from Gujarat, she was going to Kerala, and in between she has crossed three states which are Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. So that's why we are discussing the languages of these states. And which language Umana used to speak? Malayalam. Yes. Now kids, Umana finally reached Kottayam. Yes, and the journey ended. And for how many days the journey is? For 2 days. Yes. And now she is going to her Valiyamma's house. Valiyamma's house. Now kids, who is Valiyamma? In Kerala, Valiyamma is mother's elder sister. Yes, the mother's elder sister is called Valiyamma. And grandmother, yes, maternal grandmother, Ammamma's house. Now what does Ammumamma means? Ammumamma means, see Valiyamma. Valiyamma means mother's elder sister. And same way Ammumamma means mother's mother. Means you can call it maternal grandmother. Maternal means related from mother's side. So mother's mother, you can call it Nani Ma. Now kids, mother's mother is called Ammumamma and mother's elder sister is called Valiyamma. Now mother's mother means the maternal grandmother means Nani Ma. So finally Umana reached Kottayam. Yes. Now finally Umana reached Kottayam, and which is in Kerala. And she was going to her Valiyamma's house. Yes. Mother's elder sister house. Why? Because Ammumamma's house was quite far and they have to take the bus to go to Ammumamma's village. So tonight they will relax in Valiyamma's house. Now all were quite tired as the journey was of 2 days, 16th and 17th. And now the time is around 9:30 p.m. and it is tonight. So kids, Umana had a lot of fun in the journey. And now she kept her diary away as she will write her diary now when she will go to her Ammumamma's house, which is there in one village. So next day they will continue their journey. Now kids, we have ended this chapter here from the window. Now as the name suggests that Umana has written all her journey things here when she is looking out of the window. Now kids, in chapter 8 we will read about the time spent in Ammumamma's place. So kids, let's move to the activity corner now.
Page number 57. The first question is, have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? Yes, I felt nervous previously, but later I realized that it's all safe. Second, the route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? In the route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast, many water bodies and hills. So to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels. Now page number 58. Imagine and draw in your notebook what Omana saw under the bridge when her train crossed it. Small boats and fishermen. Next, imagine if on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges. How would Omana's train have crossed the mountains and rivers? See kids, it's impossible for Omana's train to cross the mountains and rivers without bridges and tunnels. Page number 58. Which languages do you speak at home? Hindi and English. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of our country. Find out and list which states it crossed. Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. Yes, it had sweet and nutty taste. Page number 59. Find out in which states these languages are spoken. First, Malayalam. It's spoken in Kerala. Konkani, Goa. Marathi, Maharashtra. Gujarati, Gujarat. Kannada, Karnataka.